Hello one and all. Today I am going to discuss a time and space complexity problem using a frequency count method. This is very important concept. Using frequency count method we are going to solve a time and space complexity. I will show one or two examples in this session. First example, I will take sum of all elements in an array. All elements in array. This is one example. I will show example. Algorithm sum of a comma n. Next, open brace, initialize s is equal to 0 for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Open brace, s is equal to s plus a of I. Close, and finally close the brace and return yes. And finally close the brace. This is the algorithm. Now for this algorithm we have to show the time and as well as space. First I will show time. Initialize. Actually if you take, assume n is equal to 5. Assume n is equal to 5. What is the value? Here I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0 and it indicates I means 0. 0 less than 5. Already we are initializing n is equal to 5. So 0 less than 5. Yes, it is true. Come inside. Print s is equal to 0. 0 plus a of I means 0 plus 0. Yes, true. It will print the value 0. Next, if you take I is equal to 1. 1 less than 5. Yes, it is true. Inside. Next, it will print 1. Similarly, sum of all the elements will be print like this. I is equal to 2. I is equal to 3 and so on. Now, we'll check the time and space complexity. First, time. Here, initialize s is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 indicates 0 means you have to initialize as a 1. In previous session we discussed about the time, how to find out. Similarly, we have to do in this problem also. S is equal to 0 indicates 1. For I is equal to 0, initialize 1. I less than n, it should be a n plus 1 times and n times. No. Now, we have to use I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. For this loop, we are using a n plus 1 times loop. So, this is a highest priority, so we have to use n plus 1 times. And similarly, this is indicates as a n times. And finally, return s should be a 1 times. So, what is the value of time? Here, f of n is equal to, see here, 2n plus 3. 2n plus 3. So, what is the order? Order of n is n only. Eliminate this one, only you have to take the order of n, you have to eliminate all the numerals. If you have n square, you have to enter n square only. So, this is the time value. Now I will show the space complexity for this problem. Assume for this problem, first we have to enter how many variables we have to enter in this problem. A, n, s, I, n. These are all the variables. First we have to note down. This is the space A and n, S, I and n. We can't put this one because this is less than n is a priority. Only A, n, S, I. Clear? Now we have to calculate the time. Space complexity. For A, we have to initialize n because sum of all the matrices we are using only one array, right? And n is the number. Number means we have to give in the n is equal to 5. Here already n indicates a 5. 5 means number. So we have to put initialize as a 1. S indicates 0. It is also a number. It is indicated as a number. So we have to put it as 1. I is also a number. 1. Now what is the value? S of n is equal to n plus 3. Order of n is equal to how much? N only. This is the one problem we have to use in a time and space complexity method. Now I will show another one problem. Now a algorithm sum we'll take this algorithm sum of two matrix. Algorithm add a comma b comma n. Sum of two matrix we are using, and for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and open brace. Again we are using a two matrix, a sum of two matrix, so two loops we are using for j is equal to 0, j less than n, and j plus plus. Clear? And open brace, write the logic. C of I comma j is equal to a of I comma j plus b of I comma j. Clear? Close the brackets. Close and close. What is the time? Yes, now I will show. For this loop n plus 1 times. First we are executing a n plus 1 times, and second we are executing a n times, and here also we are executing a n times. Clear? After this again come back to for loop. It will again enter into this loop. N plus 1 times already executed. Now enter to this loop again after n plus 1, again it will execute it n plus 1 times, and we can't execute n plus 1 times because this is a logic, only n times it will be executed. Clear? If you have any loops, if you have nested loops, first loop should be n plus 1 times, second should be a n times. Again it enter into the same loop, that n plus first loop should be n plus 1 only, but second loop again it will, after n it will be using n plus 1 times. This is the method we have to follow. So what is the value? F of n is equal to totally 2n square plus 2n plus 1. So finally what is the order? Which is the highest priority? N square. So order should be order of n is equal to n square. Exclude this one. Similarly we have to show for space. We are using a 2 cross 2 matrix, so it should be a n cross n matrix. So first we have to take all the variables in the space. This is, now I will show the how to calculate the space. Here a, b, n, I, j, and c. So similarly a indicates a should be n square, n cross n method. B should be n cross n square, because 2 cross 2 method, n cross n means n square only. B, and C also here. See here, I comma j, n cross n method. This is also n square, and remaining will be n should be as a number. Number means indicated as a 1. I indicated as a 1, and j indicated as a 1. So totally n square plus n cube. Totally how much? S of n is equal to 3n square plus 3. So what is the value? Order of n is n square only. Eliminate 3. So this is the value of order of n square. So finally this is the value. So this is the method to find out the time and space complexity. So this is all for the today's class. If you have any doubt, please message me in a comment box. Thank you, one and all.